Hello. Now, welcome. I had a recording before which there was no audio, so I guess that's corrected now. So, what is love? In the first video, we read First Corinthians chapter 13 from verse 1 to 3. And there were many interesting things there. For instance, Paul said, if I could speak with tongues of men and of angels, and don't have love. He said, I will only be making noise. I said, and if you study it, it looks as though it was going from one level of degree to another. And then he said, if I had the gift of prophecy and knew all about what is going to happen in the future, I knew everything about everything, but didn't love others. He said, what good would it do? And he said, even if I had the gift of faith so that I could speak to a mountain and make it move, I would still be worth nothing at all without love. It says, and if I gave everything I have to poor people, and if I were burned alive for preaching the gospel, but didn't have love, it says, I would be of no value whatever. I said, these things made me think, what is love? What truly is love? Since this has told us what love is not, I'm really curious. Hopefully in the next episode we'll find out what love is. God bless you. Bye-bye.